Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to just take a quick look at Microsoft here. Look, this stock's been trading in a pretty, pretty dramatic sideways range, if you want to call a sideways range dramatic. It's very, very prolonged sideways range here. All the while, the 200-day moving average has gradually been catching up with the stock, 50 days moving sideways. So we like to see this happening in an uptrending stock. Now, company reports earnings on Tuesday after the bell. A while ago, it was I don't know, maybe almost a couple months ago, Kramer featured some of my work on Mad Money, and I had said that with the Dow, if the Dow is going to break out, what we really need to see is Apple and Microsoft playing along. And I won't go into all the details as far as why I came to that conclusion, but I still feel that way. And I'll reverse it. If Apple and Microsoft are breaking out and working well, then I think the broader market is going to start working well too, particularly with the transport starting to kind of kick into gear. So here's the thing. We've got Apple. They started moving really nicely. It was around 220 or so when I think Kramer, when he did that. I think it was around there. It doesn't matter. And then since then the stock's up 11 or 12%. So it's been a really nice move here on this stock. But Microsoft, meanwhile, has just kind of meandered. So this is the deal. It'd be nice to see this kind of tighten up. I don't actually really like the fact that the highs have been a little bit higher. I'd prefer to see even more of a, squeeze here, so to speak. But that's not what we're getting. So if Microsoft reports strong earnings and it breaks out above, say, 142, this would be my suggestion. Watch how it closes. We need to see the stock break out and hold that breakout. There have been a lot of breakouts that have been failing. We need to see one hold. So if Microsoft can do that on the 29th, if Apple can do that on the 30th, we could have some market moves here. Okay, so anyway, that's all I'm saying, members. I got a couple of really good videos for you that I know are going to make you money.